After a whole week at La Plaine Tonique, we're finally leaving. I think that's been the longest we've ever stayed on a campsite actually, except for Split in Croatia last year. We normally move on every 2 to 3 days, so it was a real luxury actually to be able to just relax completely on the holiday. Although I've burnt my face, so if you can see I'm a little bit swollen or I look a bit weird, more weird than normal, that's why. So first stop for us is the Intermarché. There's a revolution outside. I want to get some washing dried, so I hand washed a load yesterday, put it out on the bush, and it didn't dry. All that happened was all the bugs decided to go and have a free stopover for the night. We're gonna shake out all the clothes and get them dry before we head off to our next destination. It's about 2.5–3 hours away I think, so for a motorhome more likely 4 hours. I'm sure there'll be a stop somewhere in between. How's it feel being back in the driving seat, love, after a whole week?
Yeah, strange a minute and you're covering my mirror.
It's busy in here considering it's early. We've only come a mile up the road and there's a revolution just on the end, but there's a van park there, so it's obviously in use. We just need to hope it's the dryer that's free. We're squeezing this big gap by you.
Yeah.
We'll commandeer about 5 spaces. So I didn't actually realise how much I hand washed yesterday, but we do have a pretty full black bag by there. So yeah, let's get it in. Thank goodness it's free. So Stu's just sorting out the payment for me and I'll get the washing in.
Yeah, chuck it in, it's ours.
Shouting at me for something. There you go, €3 for 20 minutes. That'll definitely be done. There's not that much there. Most of it's swimwear anyway.
It's not as if it's soaking.
Well, it has been out all night, hasn't it?
Right, do you want to go do some shopping while that's spinning?
Yeah, why not? So the children can stay in the van this time because Liam and Dee are parked next to us, so they'll be fine there. And me and Stuart are just going to run into the Intermarché. Now, usually we'd go to Lidl's because it's a lot cheaper. But as we're here and we've got 20 minutes to burn, we're just going to do it here and get it over with.
Might as well, it makes sense.
Yeah, but I've literally got to keep my sunglasses on my face all day because my cheeks are so burnt.
Have you put sun lotion on?
Yeah, I've had factor 50 on. Mistakes were made.
I've done the same on my head.
Yeah, it feels awful, doesn't it? It's like lizard skin.
Basically, we went in the water when it was obviously hot, and the water...
We walked past the door.
And the sun has bounced off the water, so we can get it from above and then obviously bouncing back up off the water, and we're paying for it.
Yeah, we are. This is what I said I wanted though for when we go on the beach. You see these low chairs? They're cool. Right, let's get the shopping done then. There you are, babe, boombox. Look, it's a karaoke.
Yeah, I'm sure the campsite would love that.
Got some kids' toys by here, maybe I should grab some. Yes, please. We'll have some more burgers, they were really tasty. And the sausages were nice, whatever you had yesterday. Were they this style? They were quite chunky.
Yes, it is.
Lush, yeah, we'll have some of them.
4-pack or an 8-pack?
4, it's only me and you that eat them, the others don't really eat them, do they? What about these? Do you normally like chicken burgers? Get some mayo, some lettuce.
They're very hit and miss though.
Some nuggets. There you go, straight to the bread. You cannot beat French baguettes and croissants. Absolutely beautiful. This one feels nice and soft. Oh, 3, yeah, go on then. We'll get some Harry's.
4 hot dog rolls for those sausages.
Get in, there's croissant. I really could use an air fryer on this van. It's taken ages in the oven, but I've just realised I can't even buy one because obviously I'd need a European, it'd be like a European plug, wouldn't it? Lipton iced tea. Now this is something me and Dexter have been all over this trip. I'm not sure why, but we both got a bit of a craving for this, so we're going to get some of these.
No, he likes the peach.
Peach iced tea, $1.55.
But if he gets that, the other 2 deserve something as well.
Yeah, of course. We'll get some lemonade or some Coca-Cola or something. Or there's Fanta. Right, I'm just going to put all this away, go get the washing, then we can hit the road. The washing back, and unfortunately a rogue towel has got in there. So there's been one of the kids' hoodies or something like that that's got in there that was a bit dirty, and so all the hand washing that I did yesterday, I must have spent about 2 hours on it, constantly refilling up the water tank manually as well because obviously we'd run out of water. It's now all ruined, so all these clothes now have got to be re-washed and re-dried, so we haven't got very happy bunnies in here at the minute. We're gonna get to the campsite and hopefully they'll have laundry facilities there that we can chuck them in the washing machine. The Revolution here, we would stay longer, but it's full. Never mind. Shopping's put away except for these few bits that we've just left on here. And yeah, we're just waiting to go now. But we are gonna go and get some fuel and some AdBlue because we're desperate for that, and we definitely need to find a jet wash for this beast because it hasn't been cleaned since the day we bought it, and it is absolutely stinking. Spider McDonald's. Might even run over there and maybe get a latte for the road because it's like a 3-hour drive, 4-hour drive.
You're better off going around the roundabout here and going right as opposed to trying to go left.
I would, yeah, there's quite a lot of traffic.
Every man in his car has just decided to come up here.
Are we going to be able to loop round here? It's quite big.
Yeah, as long as
that guy hasn't stopped.
What are you doing?
He's not stopping. You carry on. Carry on. So clearly the rules on roundabouts don't apply over here, love.
No. He knew he made a mistake.
Yeah, but he just kept going.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What make it really awkward now is when I pull up next to him by the pump.
Yeah, that will be a little bit weird. Okay, so there's no jet washer here. You've only got those brushy ones. That's no good for us.
No.
So that'll be a next time jobby. But at least it's high enough that we can get the motorhome underneath. Just hope we've got some AdBlue on the pumps now.
That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, there's AdBlue there, look. A big tank of it.
Yeah, that's for the lorries.
Oh, right, okay. So can we not fill up on this one?
No, it's for the lorries.
You're right, we are nearly the size of a lorry, aren't we?
Yeah, that's true.
We're bigger than I think we're bigger than that.
Because it's a couple of hours drive, I've decided I'm going to sit here in the front and do a little bit of editing, ready for you guys to have a video to watch. Because I've just realised I've done about 4 videos now and I haven't started editing anything, so I'm getting it done, guys. I'm getting it done. I know a few of you have said in the comments on our social media, if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or anything like that, I've had comments on there asking where the videos are, and I am sorry I haven't been on the ball as much as I should have been. But we're getting it done. Stu's currently in charge of tolls because obviously that's the side they're on, so he's not too pleased because obviously he has to do it all now. He's squeezing through the tight spots. He used to get a couple of minutes relief when I used to do the tolls, but
it's just the tight spots a minute. It is tough.
It is very tough.
Because I'm so far away, I got to put into park.
Figure out where the ticket is. Poke. Half hang out the window. Pay, and then get himself back in again, ready to get out of the barrier. It's a bit of a rush, isn't it, love? Mm-hmm. Instead of showing you roads, I'm going to get editing and I'm going to pick you guys up again now when we get to our next location.
Over here.
Oh, nice. A little bit of a dirt track with plenty of overhead trees. This reminds me of that time we went to Morocco in VANLIFE and we ended up off road. Look at that!
Right, we've got a bit of a dodgy road here.
Crater. Oh god. Yeah, we got 6 tyres on this. Let's not pop
big
one.
Crack in the middle of the road.
There's another one just there on the right hand side, so just go to your left over a bit.
I can't.
There's another one then on the left. I think this road is possibly one of the worst roads we've ever been on.
It's up there, definitely. Not a very good driveway.
You don't want to do this every day, would you?
No.
Potholes.
That's it, we haven't got cracks or ditches, you've got big craters to avoid.
Oh, that's cool. They've got tyre swings.
They got tire swing. Yeah.
We're at Champste la Chappel.
Germany. France.
We're having to do a bit of a 3-point turn to try and get in. The entrance is a little bit on the tight side on the trying to curve it round. Hasn't been the easiest, to be fair to Stu. He's doing a really good job. So I'm gonna have to approach it from this angle. Looks much easier from this side. And we're in. Options over here. So we'll just pull up to the side and see if we can get it sorted. So there's a swimming pool straight away as you come in. Looks like one of them garden blow up type pools, to be fair. Stu's just gone and taken the passports to reception, checking us in. We were originally going to do 2 nights, so I don't know if he's going to book us in for the 2 or just for the 1. We'll have to wait and see. But so far it looks like there's plenty of open space just over there for the children to run around. There's like a volleyball type thing and football nets. Looks like they've got some sort of entertainment or a bar area there, and there's a small swimming pool there with reception just there. I did manage to do quite a bit of editing on the video. I did about half of it. Had to stop though because I started to feel a little bit sick, because I do get a bit of motion sickness when we're going, and because I was looking down so much and we were started to do sort of bendy motorways rather than just dead straight, started to play with me a little bit. So I've stopped that and I will pick it up again later on. I don't know if you can see my face and my neck, it's really red. I'm so sunburned, and the pain under here, I can feel it sort of swelling under there now, and all down the creases here. Feels a little bit like my skin's gone really bumpy. Now what's really strange is I've never put sun cream on my face at all before. I've always just had my sunglasses and a hat on. I've been absolutely fine. This time I put factor 50 on my face before I went and played with the kids in the lake, and obviously I've had the reflection off the lake and the sun beaming down, but the sun wasn't particularly hot. But I literally feel like, you know when you put cream on and you put I don't know if you ever put hairdryer or something hot on it and it like goes bumpy and blisters? I feel that's kind of what's happened here. So yeah, it's absolutely killing me. It's sore to talk, sore to smile. All my top lip here is really gone as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wipe this little bit of makeup that I have got left on. I'm gonna have to wipe it off. So if you see me looking a little bit red in the face later in the video, that's why I've had to take it off, because it is so painful. Honestly think my whole face is just gonna peel from my eyes down to around here. Pretty sore. The rest of me, as you can see, is pretty fine. I never get a huge tan anyway, but I've also put sun factors on and stuff, so my skin everywhere else seems fine. It's literally just my face and my neck here where I'm not used to tanning.
Hi.
You right, Dex?
Yeah.
And here, look at him, stud muffin. Look at the tan on you. Right, should we get ready for this campsite then?
Yeah.
So on arrival, we've realised that the campsite owners here are British, and Stu said absolutely nuts. So that can only be a good sign, right? And as we've been setting up here, we've only been here 5-10 minutes, the amount of British people that are here is actually, there's loads, isn't there, Stu? It's busy with British, so it can't be a bad place to be, in my opinion. That's us, all pitched up, all quite happy with what we've got out at the minute. We've got the big table, a couple of chairs, we've got the Starlink, a candle to try and stop the bugs, because that's really starting to get to me now. The amount of bites that I'm covered in is unreal this year. It's nice, we've got the awning out. I think it's a really nice spot actually, it looks really pretty. Just down by there, the kids have got an obstacle course which they've already dived off down to, and then I think this is a toilet block, kitchen area, and then if you keep going down there, there's a swimming pool and the main entrance. So now we're all set up, we've had 5 minutes to chill out. We're heading down to where the swimming pool area is, because apparently there's like a bar or like a meeting kind of area there, so we're going to go check it out and see what it's like. I've just noticed for the first time since we've got here, there's 2 trees on our pitch. 1 year, 1 year. We've got a hammock. That's going to be fun later. I'm going to give that a go. Hey, look at this, Stu. You can get a static caravan, move down here.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Heat all year round.
When can I move in?
As soon as possible. Okay, so they've got football, golf by there, which I've never heard of before. Normal football. That's the meeting point, and volleyball, and then there's the pool. Ah, this is cool. They've got some tractors for the kids, a little sand pit and a playhouse, some sort of like mini golf and trampoline as well. You really can't fault that when campsites make the effort for the children, even if it is just little stuff put there to entertain them. It makes a huge difference. So this looks like the bar area, or the meeting point. So it's not overly massive, but I think it's cosy. It's really cute because obviously it gives everyone the opportunity to get together and talk, which I really like. And they're not bad prices at all. Got 2 of these hammocks and they're going to look absolutely epic when we get to use them. Now this is the first opportunity that we've had in a year, so I am totally making the most of this. And Stu's even offered to go first. Oh, that's not strong enough.
It's not strong enough.
So today's mission is to get the washing done. Been out this morning, I've given the place a clean. It was an absolute tip out here. There was all sorts of rubbish, so I've cleaned that up. I've even managed, right, for the first time ever, I've washed all these pots over there. To be fair, it's not exactly far from the pitch, is it? Rather than getting our own sink stinking, I thought I would just get that done, get it out of the way. And it actually took 2 minutes. So yeah, I should really take advantage of that more rather than wrecking the motorhome sink. We've got a load of washing here, waiting to go in. Somebody had basically left a load of washing in there and I wasn't brave enough to take it out. But another lady did, so she's got her load on. Once that's done, I'm going to get mine in. Because yesterday we had a dirty towel in with all our clean stuff and obviously that's tarnished everything, which is a little bit annoying. This morning I'm going to get all our editing done, so that's all there set up, ready and waiting to go. The kids are all still in bed chilling this morning, which is fine, they're quite happy, so I'm going to leave them to it. And I'm going to get this place tidied. I'm going to see if I can borrow a hoover and just give it a bit of a go through because the floor's a bit minging. And for me, it's mostly to stay out the sun. I don't know if you can see, I'm a bit of a tomato. I'm all a bit sore around here. I might have mentioned it to you yesterday once or twice because I was moaning all day about it. There's a rope there. Stu managed to snap it yesterday. We're trying to put a hammock up, which was absolutely hilarious, but luckily he caught it where it whipped him in the face at the bottom where his beard is rather than like where his eyes are, so he was lucky. He's going to use the rope, he's going to whack it between these two trees here, so once the washing's done that can get dried. And yeah, it's going to be a bit of a chilled one today. I'm not going to be doing too much running around or anything. I feel like even though Tonic was a week of chill, I still did quite a lot because obviously the kids wanted to go to the water park, they wanted to go swimming a lot and stuff like that, so I just kept myself busy doing that with them. So now this is a bit of a catch up and get ready because we're heading off from here tomorrow, so I kind of want a bit of a reset and get ready so when we hit the road everything's done. The toilet will be empty, water will be full, washing will be clean, fan will be clean, and yeah, we can just enjoy the last week and a half or so then without worrying too much about all that kind of stuff. Stu's actually gone to go and get some croissants that he ordered yesterday, so I'm looking forward to those. Here he comes with the goodies. Are you already munching one?
Yeah, breakfast is served.
So look at them then. They come from the local bakery, don't they? Those baguettes, nice and squishy and fat, amazing. Croissants, panda chocolate, oh they look delicious. Yeah, I'm getting stuck into that now, babes. Nice?
Not bad.
Good. Here they are, ping pong boys. Who's winning?
We're not really playing, just knocking. We're just mucking about.
Oh, that's boring. You've got to be competitive, otherwise what's the point?
Alright.
See, here's the kids all at the pool. Not gonna lie, I really like this pool because you haven't got to worry about slippery tiles, it's not too deep, the children can swim, so they've been able to have a little bit of freedom that normally I'd never let them down a pool by themselves. But I think this one's safe enough, where the side is all made of water so they can't really hurt themselves. As you can see, Dexter's there, he's walking around it, no problem at all. This morning we found out that the people who own this place, they've been doing it for 10 years. They're in the process of purchasing that chalet thing there. And they're really, really lovely. There's lots and lots of British people here, but there's also lots of Dutch as well. So it's been really, really nice, really, really different, and I'll be honest, it's been a bit of a gem because we kind of fell on this place unexpectedly. We needed somewhere to be between Plaine de Tonic and Paris, so this is perfect because it's literally central France. Just look at this lot. Sat here, chilling out, enjoying their time on holiday with us, watching the Olympics on the projector.
Yeah, it's still a bit bright under there, but we can just about make it out, alright?
You enjoying?
Well, I will be.
Alright, we're going to go now then.
Yeah. Time to chill. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Catch us on the next one.
Your time, but that is not the only thing.
You didn't say it right. Until next time.
This is going to be a belter. It's the host nation.
Do what you just said and then say until next time. Claire Balding, shut up.
So guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Time for us to have a chill.
And until next time, we'll see you in a bit.